Hello dear students, myself Vyas Bhumika. Today I will teach you Standard 7 English. In this video I am giving you an essay on importance of education. Nowadays education is very important for us. Nowadays because of corona you are doing your work through mobile. Yes? So it is the best example for take an education. Okay? Means without education your life is nothing. अगर आप एजुकेशन नहीं लोगे तो आपकी लाइफ में कुछ भी आप नहीं कर पाओगे. एक एजुकेटेड पीपल है वो बाकी सभी अनएजुकेटेड पीपल को अच्छी तरह से एजुकेशन दे सकता है ना. सो लेट्स ओपन योर नोटबुक, टेक अ पेन एंड स्टार्ट राइटिंग एन essay on a new page. First I wrote an thought written by Alan Bloom. Education is the movement from darkness to light. एजुकेशन एक ऐसी मूवमेंट है जो हमें डार्कनेस से लाइटनेस की तरफ लेके जाता है. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लीव सम स्पेस एंड स्टार्ट राइटिंग. एजुकेशन प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन आवर लाइफ. इट्स बिल्ड्स आवर पर्सनालिटी, improves knowledge and skills and provide feelings of well-being of a person. Means in a first paragraph it is given about education. Education is very important in our life. Education builds our personality, knowledge, skills and make us a well-being or good educator. Let's see paragraph number 2. Education has been divided into 3 categories in our country as primary education, secondary education and higher secondary education. Means in our country education has been divided into 3 parts: primary, secondary and higher secondary education. Let's see paragraph number 3. Here also leave some space or make a paragraph. It develops our analytical skills, character and overall personality. Education helps a person in nourishing his present and future by ensuring aim of the life. Quality and importance of education is increasing day by day. Every child must go to school in his or her appropriate age. Means education develops our all over personality. Education helps a person to fulfill his dreams of education or aims of life. Every child must go to school in his or her age. Here also make a paragraph or leave some space. The growth and development of any country depends on the quality of education system set for young ones in the schools and colleges. However, the education system in every areas of the country is not same. So the proper growth and development of the people and society varies according to the weak and strong education system of the particular region. Means growth and overall development of the country depends on the quality of education system set by education minister or the other persons in the schools and colleges. In every area of the country, the education system is not same for the students. So the proper growth and development of the people or students and society varies according to the weak and strong education system. I hope you all understood this essay very well. Thank you.